Hi everyone, today we have the software called Practice Better, and this is the best all-in-one practice management software. So before we begin, you can consider heading over to the link in the description to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses onto this platform Practice Better. Jumping onto the platform, you will be able to realize that they offer different type of features for better management of your practicing session. So now, if in general we talk about practicing and what it is about, let's say you want to do it for different type of branding, and you can see billing, insurance, reporting, or stuff like that. Everything is going to be nicely presented in here. Let's just talk about clients portal. So if you are looking for client engagement, you will be able to realize that it offers various different type of features for, like for example, if you want to add entry related to different type of clients and what they want to order, you can browse through and access the database of 600,000 foods, easily track what they've eaten and much more. So the backend is really amazing. You can see the portal and how nice this looks. Everything is in here: requesting a session, completing forms, completing a task, and invoicing, and each and everything. On the left side, you will be able to realize we have journals, programs, bookings, packages, and various other stuff as well. So this is basically a single course, or you can say source for client interactions and protecting your time, flag for later, add more context. So basically these features are serving to one goal related to different type of client management, scheduling, and all that stuff. Now let's just head back and you will be able to realize if you want to create different type of workflows and elevate your client's experience, this platform is going to be providing you different type of charting, secure messaging, and all that tools that you're going to be ever needing. You can see in your clients portal, you will have your clients calendar, tasks, billings and payments, and report is going to be highlighting all the activity that you're going to be performing and much more. So make sure to give it a try. Talking about its review, we have something really good in here, like for example, easy to set up for mental health professionals too, and much more. So make sure to give it a try using the link in the description below to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses.